So tell me, man, like how's things going with you? So what are your queries?
Yeah, so I have couple of queries. First of all, it's going good. Like after coming to Bangalore, I wanted to know couple of things, got my all the doubts cleared from Aditya sir, and like it was all good. So and after that, coming back, I've been doing trading consistently, and like I have seen my after noting down some small things from Bangalore, so I've seen my trading consistency getting improved a lot, and there are a couple of things I'm working on right now. Some strategies like for which I am converting into algo. Like now I have been forming the strategy, but not able to figure out the trailing asset and other parts. So let's see how that goes. That's for future. But currently it's going good. After coming back from Bangalore, I have been trading with one lot only, like getting to the break-even point. So I am almost at break-even point. So I'm scaling up now. So because my confidence is also has come to a level where I know that I can make some nice returns from now on. So like today, I scaled up my capital. From today, I'm starting from this coming week.
So you started scaling up your capital right now.
So as today was Friday, didn't got nice move, got trapped in Bank Nifty. Like it was breaking the day high, reversed. So I recovered almost 70% of my loss by shorting a call. So it's true.
Okay, so what are the kind of strategies that you're trading right now?
Currently, I am doing this range breakout.
Okay.
And support resistance like that, and expiry I do a straddle in the morning, and if it's within the range, well and good. If it's breaking out my range, then I will convert that into a directional.
Okay.
Yeah, and other days the normal open range breakout, the levels I am marking. Basically, the range breakout is 30-minute range. I mark the 30-minute range, and for the day high low. So whichever side breaks, I basically take that side.
Got it. So how
do you option selling, not buying?
Okay, so you're completely sticking with option selling only.
Yeah, after going to Bangalore, I have seen option selling is the best one to buy. I have become an option seller from option buyer.
Okay.
When you buy your last option other than hedge?
Your voice is breaking.
When was the last time you bought options?
I think so before Bangalore, not after that. I am buying option only for hedging purpose, not other thing. My main position is always option selling.
Okay, cool. So what are the like right now you're trading Bank Nifty, Nifty both, or only Bank Nifty?
Bank Nifty, Nifty both. Only two things. Yeah. So Bank Nifty, Nifty both, and if I see some good equities like at some nice level, so I take that. Like currently, I am holding Maruti Suzuki. And in 1 week, like because of the earnings result was about to come out, that's why today only it gave around 3 to 4% return. That is not prefer like going after 3 to 4% return in a day, but because of the result, I got that return. So it's around 5% in a way.
So you're also looking at stocks also, great.
Not that frequently, but if some things I am seeing like it's a very good opportunity, then only. Otherwise, my preference is mostly Nifty and Bank Nifty only.
Okay. And what about your risk management right now? I think that was a place where you were struggling.
Yeah, I was struggling with the risk management part, and I was not getting that confidence in taking a trade because of the losses what I faced in the past. So my risk management got better. So now I am having that confidence. I'm confidence of taking a trade in a better way.
Okay, and what about your business and all? Like, are you finding time in between?
Yeah, so basically I have come to an agreement with my dad. So I have fixed a time slot that morning I will go, because our business usually starts from morning 6:30. So morning I will go, I will open up the godowns and get the trucks loaded and departed from the outlet by 9 o'clock. You come down by 9 o'clock, I will come back, then after 3:30 I can come back and handle again. So days are pretty active, but it's good only. Not
Great. So tell me your queries, man. So tell me like what are the queries that you have?
Yeah, so first of all, the trailing SL part if we suppose in a straddle, if we are converting it into a algo, so how to figure out the trailing SL part, like for directional and non-directional, what is good?
So if you want to trade directional, then you'll have to keep a stop loss. That is, you'll have to keep a percentage stop loss on your start if you want to trade directional. Now, on the other hand side, if it is non-directional, still that you're kind of doing. The other way out is you have a look at the combined premium and keep a stop loss on the combined premium. So for example, I'm setting a straddle. Combined premium is 100 rupee. I could probably keep a stop loss of 120 on the combined premium.
Okay. No, that is okay. But how to trail that? Like what should be the ratio? Like 10 is to 10% or 10 to 5% like that.
So
what is
when it kind of comes to Nifty on expiry days, right now when we're doing straddles, we trail it by 20%. That is, we keep a stop loss of 20%. And let's say that initially the combined premium is 100. So the 20% of this, that is 120. So later on, let's kind of actually say that the combined premium comes down to 80 rupees. Then the stop loss is going to be 20% of 80.
okay.
That is going to be 96. You know what I'm trying to say. So that is we are trailing based on combined premium right now. On the other hand side, if you're trading direction, that is like, for example, strategies like Bank Nifty, multi-time frame straddle. So if we have, we have multiple entries for straddles, wide stop loss, narrow stop loss, those kind of setups. So in this case, we kind of keep a hard stop loss. So if you're selling at the money straddle, let's say that some entries will be keeping a 20% stop loss, some entries will be keeping like a 50% stop loss, some entries with a 60% or 70% stop loss. So that's it. Now, if one side stop loss is getting hit, sometimes we trail the other leg to the cost. That is wherever. So, for example, you are entering a call and put for 100, just an example.
Yeah, so one side guy is getting it, the other side I will get to the entry price.
Correct. So that way you could do. So that is like completely up to you. So in fact, in the long term, more or less all these logics works. Everything is you just sticking or staying disciplined with it. So these logics like majorly it applies on expiry days. That is when you have a higher probability of making money.
Okay. So how I trail stop loss, I'll show you once. So suppose let's take Bank Nifty. So you can see my screen, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's take today's example. So this was a 30-minute range that we got for today. Okay. So when Bank Nifty came, so this was the 41,300 was the ATM. So 41,300 call. Okay. So I go and like basically when this gets taken out at 30-minute range, I go and compare this level with my whatever is the premium chart. Here also same 30-minute range. So when this gets taken out, I go and I put SL according to my chart. So if you'll see like today's setup also worked for me, but today I got trapped in the morning. As I told you, it was giving a breakout on the upside and I took an aggressive entry. But today also this setup also again today also it worked 30-minute range breakout. So and I kept my didn't took the second trade because of my first hit the SL. So the second trade, if you'll see, the Bank Nifty gave a good breakout from this here. And if I would have taken this trade, I would have got some nice risk to reward with my SL somewhere over here. So it was around 50 rupees SL and it went and closed at 287. So, but obviously I will not hold till this part. In between my trailing SL will get hit. So
basically, if you're kind of talking about if you want to trade this thing with an algo, then you'll have to keep stop loss based on something called as fractals. So here are the swing high, swing lows. So whoever coding down your strategy, you can speak with them. So just make use of fractals and then you can trade.
Okay, got it. So this is how I am trading my SL right now. So basically I go and compare the premium chart with the spot chart, and when I get a 30-minute range breakout in Bank Nifty, I take the trade that side, like obviously option selling. And I keep the SL according to the swing highs and swing lows.
Yeah, that's good enough.
How is the volume profile is working for you? Like you are the guy who are...
Volume profile is it's working like magic. So you want me to show it to you?
Yeah. Just explain how you use.
You just explain how you take trade on the base of volume profile and all. Your style of trade.
So I don't take trade on basis of volume profile. I sometimes it helps me for levels like. Suppose I can anticipate if some reversal is about to come or the price is about to face a resistance from that level. So just a second. So this is a Nifty chart. We'll go to the 15 minutes time frame. So let's see if yesterday's volume profile works. Just a second. Volume profile. So if you see here, so this was the yesterday's so volume profile means like where the maximum, in which price the maximum orders has been placed. So here if you see yesterday's the maximum orders were placed in this range. And another one was here somewhere. Here, sorry, my bad. So nowadays it's not working very good, but before it was working very nice. But nowadays, if you'll see, like some days it's working, some days not working. So if you'll see yesterday's, so like whatever is the volume, whatever levels we are getting, so that levels plays a significant role in today's the next day's market. So this is what I have seen. So if you'll see today also it came, and when the first volume range got taken out, we got a nice move to the downside, but from the second volume range it made a reversal, and after it broke the first range, then also it gave a nice upside move. So these levels play a significant role, what I have observed. So in Bank Nifty also it works like the same only. So if you see, like you can see one more days. Let's see here. Let's see to this date. So it's a gap up, so we will leave it. Okay, let's take here. So see here, we can see. So this was the area where maximum orders were placed. This, not even this candle. Okay, and another area was this area. So see, like this day also, this is on 19th of October. This was the two range what we were getting. So it was a gap down opening, but when market went up, if you'll see here, it's from the top volume profile, it's getting nice rejection. So these are the like areas where like we can see like these areas play a significant role in the coming days trading time.
Got it.
Yeah.
And you're looking at the volume profile in the, you look at the prices in the 15 minutes time frame. Right now you're trading purely in 15 minutes.
15 minutes, 15 and 5 minutes to like check if volume is building up or not in 5 minutes. Otherwise, basically in 15 minutes only.
Okay.
So if in gap up, gap down, we can take this as support and resistance. And same for if it's opening flat also, that also we can see like same support and resistance only. And I have seen very good results of this. Like in our WhatsApp group also I have shared in between 2-3 days back to back, like nice reversals. So see here also I have used volume range profile again. Once it broke the volume range for upside, we got a nice move. Again when it broke from the downside also, we got a nice move. And I combined this with the mean reversion to get a nice, to capture the entire move. And see here also, if you'll see here market went up, but see this was the POC from the yesterday's level. This was a POC and we got some nice reversal from that same level. And it came and it was breaking the trend line also. I remember I have captured some nice move here also. And same I got a mean reversion in this trade also.
Got it. That's good. Cool. It's a nice connecting one. So I think your queries are clear, right?
Yes. Basically, my main query was for the trailing asset part for the strategy.
So now, see, ultimately at the end of the day, all these trailing based on combined premium or kind of keeping a stop loss based on individual, like all these logics work. So, but the thing is, like your strategy should be a mix. So just don't. Earlier, the normal 920 strategy used to work. So right now, if you have multiple entries, that is something that is better. There is multiple entries with different kinds of wide and narrow stop losses. That'll take care.
Like what we did, like the multi-time frame straddle.
Yeah, correct. Those kind of things are better these days.
That is very difficult if you are not doing it from algo. So to manage.
Yeah, manual execution
part is here.
Yeah, true. So let's see.
So like I have been maintaining my journal after coming back from bank. Before I used to maintain my journal, and on weekend what I do, I go through my journal. Like every day there is a 2 section. Like this is your journals only, the scope and logic part. So every weekend I go to the scope and the logic. Like what did I do? What was the logic and the scope? How can I improve from that? So when I see my first week after Bangalore, the first week, and now I see like it's crazy the improvement. I cannot believe on myself. Like why? So I have I have one thing, like I have an entire format. I have modified your format a little bit. So I'll show you my format. So what I do is just a second. I'll show you one good day only directly. Okay, I will show you entire week. Okay, so first of all, I write down a to-do list for the week. This is the third week and a target for the week. Okay, then I go and I make a checklist for. Suppose this was the 20th. I don't know if you can see.
It's fine.
First of all, I check the FII DI data. SGX Nifty and Dow Jones for gap up, gap down, and to anticipate. Obviously, we cannot be 100% sure. Then the heat map, OI data, what heat map and the OI data I got to know from Aditya sir. Then the entire this is your format only, the entries and everything. So this, and after the day is completed, the learnings from that day and the same is being noted down from learnings from the week also.
Okay. So when you come to Bangalore, bring the book. Let's see.
Nice to see that you are putting so much effort.
Yeah. So this is thank you. So this is on learnings for the week. So when I go to the learnings for the week, I get to know.
Your batch was actually very good. I found that you guys were revising at late night, 10 o'clock or something like that. You, Vikas, Bhavya, all of them.
Yes.
So it's nice to see that after that you are following everything. So our job is to show you a path. Moving on that path is almost your efforts, right? So it's very, I feel very very what you say, very.
Thank you, and like I am glad that I got to know Hari sir and you, because I'm glad to be a part of Livelong community. So I don't know where would I have been if I not met you guys.
You are doing full-time trading right now, right? No other.
Yeah, I am doing full-time trading. Yes, focusing on business, but I want to become a full-time trader. So from 9 till 3:30, I am at my desk only. So it's not necessary. Once my target is done, I basically shut down the screen, or SLD shut down the screen. But I sit on, like, I do some price action analysis and other things, like working on my strategy. So doing back testing. So I have shown Hari sir and you also when I came that time also I used to do back testing, like trying to create some studies on multiple time frames. One more thing, like I wanted, like price action is best. There is no use of indicator, but people keep on asking, like, tell us an indicator. So I am gonna give them an indicator if you don't have any problem. So like this is the line what I have written. I don't know if you have heard, but this just clicked on my mind. So if someone asks me what is the best indicator, so I tell them my journal is my indicator.
Okay.
Because I have seen my, like I have been noting down my journal, so and all the indicators are there only how you can improve and how you can take a trade in a better way. So my journal is my indicator. Yes.
Okay. Nice. Sounds interesting. So when are you coming to Bangalore next?
So by this month end, November end.
Okay. Nice. So let's see. We'll definitely catch up.
Yes, sure. So looking forward to learn some new things.
Sure, man. We'll catch up. Okay. Okay, Gopal.
Okay, Gopal. Best of luck for your trading career.
Thank you, sir. Same to you.
Bye.
Thank you.